Hello everyone, welcome to the Harvisa channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable autofill in the Bitwarden Password Manager. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Bitwarden app, then select settings in the bottom of your screen, and then go to autofill and enable autofill services. So now in this section, you're going to change the preferred service for passwords, passkeys, and autofill. You're going to change it to Bitwarden. So it's important that it's changed to Bitwarden. So now that it's changed, we can return. And here you have autofill basically enabled. And what it does is this is going to be your basically Google Password Manager. So you can save the passwords here, and this app is going to be used to autofill the passwords in like certain fields if that's supported. So for example, you want to log in into some account, and if you have a password for that account in this app, it's going to try to autofill that password for you. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.